Imagine a fighter jet that can anticipate threats before they even appear, operate faster than ever, and redefine the skies. Boeing's NGAD fighter isn't just the future, it's a revolution in U.S. air dominance. Stay tuned to see how this next generation platform is transforming aerial operations. Today, we're exploring one of the most ambitious programs in modern aerospace, Boeing's Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD fighter. The United States is investing billions into this next generation platform, aiming to surpass the capabilities of legacy aircraft like the F-22 and F-35. NGAD is designed not just to meet current challenges, but to anticipate emerging ones in the skies, integrating advanced stealth, high-speed propulsion, and next-level AI systems. Unlike traditional aircraft programs, NGAD uses a modular design, enabling rapid upgrades as new technologies emerge, keeping the platform relevant for decades. Reports suggest its aerodynamics are revolutionary, offering unmatched agility, while advanced materials enhance survivability. But what truly sets NGAD apart is its networked approach. It's not just a jet, it's a central node in a system of drones, satellites, and advanced command networks. This allows pilots to operate with unprecedented situational awareness, detecting aerial or ground-based challenges hundreds of miles away. The integration of these systems could allow NGAD to act as both a hub and a multiplier for other platforms. In short, NGAD represents the next step in strategic air dominance, redefining how the United States approaches aerial operations. Adaptability is central to NGAD's design. Unlike legacy fighters, which remain largely static over decades, NGAD uses open system architectures to allow avionics, sensors, and mission systems to be upgraded quickly. This ensures the aircraft remains effective even as adversaries develop advanced detection systems. Stealth is another defining feature. While traditional fighters use angled surfaces and coatings to minimize radar visibility, NGAD may incorporate active stealth systems capable of manipulating radar signals in real time. Its propulsion system is also next generation, potentially capable of sustained high-speed flight without excessive fuel consumption, increasing both endurance and operational reach. NGAD is intended to operate alongside unmanned platforms, acting as a hub to coordinate drones and other assets. This wingman integration enhances situational awareness and extends the aircraft's operational impact without increasing risk to pilots. Together, these features create a system that is faster, more adaptable, and more aware than any previous generation of aircraft. NGAD is shaping up not just to be a successor to current fighters, but a strategic platform capable of redefining aerial operations, ensuring that U.S. forces maintain a decisive advantage in future sky-based missions. NGAD's focus on electronic systems and survivability is extraordinary. In future contested environments, control over the electromagnetic spectrum is as important as speed or agility. NGAD is expected to integrate advanced electronic management systems capable of monitoring signals, intercepting communications, and countering detection systems in real time. Pilot safety is enhanced through advanced cockpit technologies, including AI-assisted interfaces that reduce workload, enhance situational awareness, and allow operators to focus on mission priorities rather than routine tasks. Sensor fusion is critical, combining radar, infrared, and satellite inputs into a coherent operational picture. NGAD's networked capabilities extend beyond the pilot, enabling coordination with unmanned assets that can gather intelligence, extend surveillance, or carry out high-priority tasks while minimizing risk to human operators. Its multi-domain operational design allows NGAD to act as both a rapid response platform and an intelligence hub, combined with advanced mobility and stealth. This makes NGAD uniquely suited to maintain air dominance, manage complex operations, and adapt to dynamic challenges. Its investment by the U.S. Air Force reflects the strategic importance of maintaining technological leadership in aerial systems for decades to come. A standout feature of NGAD is its optionally manned capability. Depending on the mission, it can operate with or without a pilot, allowing for long duration or high risk operations without putting human operators at unnecessary risk. Reports suggest extreme agility through adaptive flight surfaces and next-generation aerodynamics, enabling maneuvers beyond the capabilities of current platforms. The cockpit integrates AI assistance, providing real-time situational analysis and mission coordination. NGAD also employs advanced sensor fusion, consolidating radar, infrared, and communication feeds into a single actionable display. Its networked connectivity allows coordination with other aircraft, drones, and ground-based systems, creating a strategic operational web. This interconnected approach enhances efficiency, allowing multiple assets to operate seamlessly as part of a larger mission. By combining speed, agility, AI-assisted control, and optionally unmanned operations, NGAD is designed to operate in heavily monitored or highly dynamic environments with minimal risk and maximum effectiveness. It represents a paradigm shift from traditional fighter operations to a highly flexible, integrated aerial platform capable of addressing evolving challenges in air operations while maintaining strategic advantage. NGAD's offensive capabilities are designed for precision and adaptability. Its internal systems are expected to support advanced, high-speed response platforms for both aerial and ground monitoring missions. Integrated AI-assisted targeting allows operators to identify and respond to multiple challenges simultaneously, increasing operational efficiency and effectiveness. Beyond individual missions, NGAD is optimized for multi-domain operations, functioning within integrated networks that include unmanned assets and advanced sensors. This allows the aircraft to collect and process data, extend reach, and coordinate multiple platforms without human operators being exposed to risk. Propulsion and energy management systems are designed for long-duration operations, enabling global reach without frequent logistical support. The combination of optionally manned operations, advanced sensor fusion, and adaptable flight systems ensures NGAD can carry out complex missions with precision and speed. Its modularity allows upgrades to maintain peak performance as technology evolves. NGAD is therefore not only a successor to legacy fighters, but a versatile strategic platform capable of transforming how air operations are conducted and ensuring the U.S. maintains technological and operational leadership for decades. NGAD's development is highly secretive, reflecting its strategic importance. Engineers use digital simulations, rapid prototyping, and iterative testing to explore innovative materials, avionics, and aerodynamics while protecting sensitive technologies from potential competitors. Collaboration among top aerospace contractors ensures that NGAD benefits from the latest innovations, including AI-assisted systems, adaptive sensors, and advanced propulsion. The platform's modular design allows components to be upgraded without redesigning the entire aircraft, keeping it relevant in the face of rapidly evolving challenges. Multiple variants may exist to fulfill different mission profiles, from rapid response aerial operations to long-duration intelligence collection and multi-platform coordination. By combining adaptability, speed, advanced sensing, and optionally manned operations, NGAD functions as a central hub for integrated aerial operations. Its design ensures that future generations of operators can respond to emerging technological or operational challenges efficiently. In essence, NGAD is not just an aircraft, it's a continuously evolving platform capable of shaping the future of air dominance and strategic operations in contested or complex aerial environments. NGAD aims to transform pilot interaction with advanced cockpit technologies, augmented reality displays, AI assistance, and adaptive controls help pilots process large amounts of information quickly and intuitively. AI co-pilots can manage flight systems, mission coordination, and threat analysis, reducing operator workload and increasing efficiency. Optionally unmanned operations allow the aircraft to complete missions autonomously with human oversight from a safe distance. Sensor fusion integrates radar, infrared, and satellite data into a unified operational view, enabling rapid decision-making. By connecting with unmanned assets and other aircraft, NGAD can orchestrate complex operations across multiple platforms simultaneously. This network capability transforms it from a single aircraft into a central hub for aerial operations. Operators can respond quickly to dynamic scenarios, extend reach, and maintain situational awareness across large areas. The combination of AI assistance, optionally unmanned operation, and networked coordination represents a significant step forward in aerial strategy, providing enhanced operational flexibility and effectiveness while minimizing risk to human personnel. NGAD is designed to redefine how air dominance is maintained in the coming decades. Propulsion and aerodynamics are central to NGAD's performance. Advanced engines are expected to enable sustained high-speed flight without excessive fuel use, increasing both operational range and efficiency. Adaptive flight surfaces and innovative materials enhance agility, allowing NGAD to navigate complex airspaces and maintain strategic advantage. Thermal management systems support high-speed operations and advanced onboard systems. Signature management technologies, combining traditional stealth with real-time emission control, keep NGAD difficult to detect, even against advanced monitoring systems. By integrating speed, agility, and stealth, NGAD can operate in heavily monitored environments while completing long-range or high-priority missions efficiently. These capabilities allow operators to respond rapidly, maintain control over aerial operations, and extend the effectiveness of integrated platforms. The combination of advanced propulsion, signature management, and maneuverability ensures NGAD remains at the forefront of aerial technology, capable of performing tasks beyond the reach of legacy aircraft and sustaining strategic advantage in dynamic operational environments. NGAD's strategic value extends beyond its performance as a single aircraft. By acting as a networked hub, it can coordinate drones, other manned aircraft, and monitoring platforms in real time. This multi-platform integration amplifies the effectiveness of a single operation, enabling rapid information sharing and coordinated actions over large areas. Advanced targeting and monitoring systems allow the aircraft to execute precise missions while extending the reach and impact of connected assets. NGAD's optionally unmanned capabilities further reduce risk to human operators while maintaining operational effectiveness. Its design integrates multiple layers of technology, stealth, speed, AI, and network coordination into a single platform capable of dynamic, complex aerial operations. In essence, NGAD transforms the concept of a fighter from an isolated platform into a central command node, extending the operational capability of the entire aerial fleet. This networked approach ensures that U.S. forces maintain superior situational awareness and operational flexibility in the skies for decades. In summary, Boeing's NGAD fighter represents a transformative leap in aerial technology. Its combination of advanced stealth, high-speed propulsion, AI-assisted operation, optionally manned missions, and networked coordination positions it as a cornerstone of U.S. air dominance. Modular design allows rapid upgrades, keeping the platform relevant as technology evolves. By integrating advanced monitoring systems, optionally unmanned capabilities, and coordination with drones and other assets, NGAD is designed to operate effectively in complex, contested, or dynamic environments. Its development represents a new approach to aerial operations focused on adaptability, strategic advantage, and technological leadership. As NGAD progresses toward operational deployment, it is poised to redefine how the United States maintains superiority in the skies and manages complex air operations across multiple platforms. If you enjoyed this detailed look at Boeing's NGAD fighter, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth explorations of advanced aerial technology. Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you see NGAD transforming the future of air operations?